Hello everyone and welcome to the Laboratory 2 of the course MIAE 211. In this series of video, I'm going to explain to you how you can create a basic part in SolidWorks, and then I'm going to make you familiar with some tools and features of this software. When you open the application, this Home tab will be opened. Here we have the new part, recent documents, recent folders, and so on. And what is really important here is part assembly and drawing. In the second lab, we're gonna cover the part, and for the third and the fourth one, we're gonna go through assembly and drawing. Now I'm gonna click on part, and it asks me to choose my units. For this video, I'm going to select this unit system of MMGS, which represents millimeters, gram, and second. And dimension standard, I leave it at ISO. When the part mode starts, here we have the Home tab, Save, New, and Open. This section is called Ribbon Bar, and by clicking these buttons here, we have features, sketch, and so on. What we mostly use is a sketch, which we're creating our 2D sketches. And based on those 2D sketches, we're going to create features, which are 3D. And sometimes we're going to go to the tab Evaluate and use this tool, which is called Measure. As you can see, we have a lot of things we can do here in the SolidWorks. We can do simulations and so on. This has been added to the recent versions, but since we do not need them, we can deactivate those tabs in the ribbon. By right clicking on one of these options and go to the tab, for example, we can deactivate simulation, we can deactivate MBD, and let's say, for example, we need to work in the sheet metal, so we can activate it easily. So I'm gonna set it up to make a neat and tidy interface, so I'm gonna deactivate sheet metal and so on. So to the left, we have what we called feature manager. Everything that we create will add to this section. This feature manager is really important. Sometimes it is called tree, uh, but in SolidWorks it is called feature manager. We have three basic planes: front plane, top plane, and right plane. And what is really important for you to know is that every sketch that we're gonna create should be on a plane. We cannot sketch in the air. We should have a surface or a plane. We're gonna go through these in the coming minutes. And here we have some navigational tools. Most important way, because we do not have any part, I'll prefer to create the part and then we're gonna go through these tools that we have. And to the bottom right, we have again the unit systems. By clicking that, we can easily switch between IPS, MMGS, or whatever we prefer.